Hello everyone, welcome all to my channel. Thank you for your support to my channel. In this short video, we are going to find out the answer for the following question from the teachings of Bhagavan Sri Ramana Maharshi. Why sometimes bad things happen to good people and good things happen to bad people? Ramana Maharshi replied, pain or pleasure is the result of past karma and not of present karma. Pain and pleasure alternate with each other. One must suffer or enjoy them patiently without being carried away by them. One must always try to hold on to the self. When one is active, one should not care for the results and must not be swayed by the pain or pleasure met with occasionally. He who is indifferent to pain or pleasure can alone be happy. If you are interested in knowing more about karma, link in the description below. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any suggestion regarding this video, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.